Hey everyone, have you ever wondered if those mind-blowing AI advancements we keep hearing about, things like generating realistic images, writing compelling stories, and even composing music, are only available to people living in the United States? Well, today we're diving deep into the exciting world of Gemini, a powerful AI model developed by Google, to find out if it's truly a US exclusive party. We'll explore the global reach of Gemini, discuss its potential impact on different regions, and even touch upon the ethical considerations that come with such advanced AI technology. So, buckle up and get ready to learn. Now, before we jump into the specifics of Gemini's availability, let's quickly understand what this AI powerhouse is all about. Gemini is a cutting-edge AI model designed to excel in a wide range of tasks. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for AI. It can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and even answer your questions in an informative way. It's built upon Google's extensive research in AI and leverages the power of Google's vast computational resources. 1. Medium.com. Medium.com. The hype around Gemini is real. It's considered to be one of the most advanced AI models currently available, showcasing impressive capabilities in areas like reasoning, coding, and even understanding and responding to images. This has sparked a lot of excitement, but also a lot of questions. One of the most common questions, of course, is Gemini only available in the US? The short answer is no, Gemini is not exclusively available in the US. While the initial development and testing may have been primarily focused within the US, Google has a global reach and aims to make its AI technologies accessible to a wider audience. However, the rollout and availability might vary across different regions depending on factors like regulatory approvals, data privacy concerns, and infrastructure readiness. Google has been actively working on expanding Gemini's availability to various countries and regions. This involves collaborating with local partners, adapting the technology to comply with different regulations, and ensuring responsible AI development and deployment. While the specific timeline for global rollout may vary, Google has expressed its commitment to making Gemini accessible to a broader user base worldwide. Impact on different regions. The potential impact of Gemini can be significant across different regions. In developing economies, it could accelerate technological advancements, improve access to education and healthcare, and boost economic growth. In developed economies, it could drive innovation in various sectors, such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, leading to increased productivity and efficiency. However, the widespread adoption of advanced AI like Gemini also raises important ethical considerations. These include concerns about job displacement, bias and fairness, data privacy, and the potential misuse of AI technology. It's crucial to address these concerns proactively through responsible AI development and deployment, ensuring that the benefits of AI are shared equitably and that potential risks are mitigated. Google recognizes the importance of responsible AI development and has implemented a number of safeguards to ensure that Gemini is used ethically and responsibly. These include rigorous testing and evaluation, robust safety measures, and a commitment to transparency and collaboration with researchers, policymakers, and the public. The future of AI is undoubtedly bright, and models like Gemini have the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. While challenges and uncertainties remain, the ongoing development and refinement of AI technologies offer exciting possibilities for a better future. By embracing responsible AI development and addressing the ethical considerations, we can harness the power of AI to create a more equitable and sustainable world for all. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Gemini and its potential impact. Do you think AI will have a positive or negative impact on society? What are your concerns about the ethical implications of advanced AI? Share your views in the comments section below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.